Hello! To check Wi-Fi data usage on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into your settings, connections and data usage. And right here, down below, you have Wi-Fi data usage. You go in there and right here you see your overall used data, and here below you can see which app used and how many data it used. By pressing any application you can see if it used the data totally, foreground and background. You can also see by pressing right here at which period it used all this data, and also in going back, like right here overall, you can also press this option to see the period at which your apps have used the data. Simple as that. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.